Turning raw wood material into particle board in TFL is a multi-step process. Preparing the wood is the first step. Truckloads of sawdust and wood chips arriving in Egger might have a moisture content of up to 130%. Before this wood supply can be used in production, nearly all the moisture must be removed during chip preparation. First, wood chips are sent by conveyor past a magnet to remove any metals that could become a fire threat, followed by a screen to filter oversized wood particles. The conveyor then moves the chips into two massive direct heat drum dryers with attached suction fans. The fans blow the wood chips inside while adding hot air from a gas burner and a dust burner. Guide plates evenly distribute the chips as the air inside reaches nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The drums rotate and water steams from the wood. After 15 minutes, the moisture content has been reduced to just 2 to 3%. The wood chips are then ejected from the dryer and sent to dry chip preparation.